a woman.
Anything I give to you, I
want it back.
I'm ready to be yours forever. No another. Oh.
I belong to you and I belong to everybody.
Your voice is horrible, Nam.
Biko baby, smile for me. And my yogi, smile for me.
Chai.
Chai, smile for me.
Which of them?
Biko COMOT.
Call her.
Ochoyibo.
Ochoyibo.
Go green move.
Call it.
Hey! Baby! I just want to let you know. Who I am. Baby! I just want to
Yes, and I would want to say how we take it on the package inside this place. Now, so with the drum, every time we enter this bar, just to get together, talk with tonight, gist with tonight, giving out all the church and things we concern babes and bubbles them. Welcome to the show with the sun you everything every night. Your night tonic, what we call Bubbles Yarn. And you know, say we done the same relationship since 2014. I beg, make it for no loss. And I know say this week, now it be my birthday week and my mind is sweet because my men them here don't do different things for me this week. They don't make me happy. Plenty. I no go lie, this men them with they here, so I beg me could help me, they tell them thank you. Because without this men them, I don't go to this place. I beg. My man.
Go on, guy. Yeah, thank you. Guy, it's
nice one. It's called applaudissee.
When they clap, many clapping. So happy to be here. Showman, how are you?
I am not fine. One girl just sent me one text now. I don't know why this. The thing they worry me now.
Girl send you text now.
That's the problem.
That's
when you have girls everywhere. Yeah, BB. The Showman, I'm the first guy I see they on BB, they on WhatsApp, Instagram,
Skype,
Twitter, Skype, even to go.
He did it.
Then there's Viber.
Oh, Viber.
There's Viber.
Those people that use vibrator. Girls on Viber, they always use vibrator.
I mean, no girl can spoil my mood. The girl is trying to tell me that she wants me to marry her, and I'm not. If it's not Buhari's daughter, I'm not settling down. You see, Buhari is doing well. Let us compliment Buhari. There's light in Nigeria. We're enjoying light. So that's why I want people to support this, my ministry of entering the. You understand? What do you want to talk about? Don't go spoil this thing now.
It's not every mission a friend embarks on that his friends will support.
So you don't support this one?
Like what you are embarking, I don't know of Ugo.
Are you in the
Wait, say it. I want you to say it out. Let the whole world hear you.
Yeah.
Are you not in support of me marrying Buhari's daughter? Please say it now.
Not at this time that Buhari is set to probe Jonathan administration. And the probing is everybody. See, those people that collected money during campaign, if you collect rice, that bag of rice, so they do good luck. Wait till like this. Then they check everybody's house, your backyard. If they see that bag of rice,
but you collect that rice, Shakara.
I didn't collect rice.
You will be doing into campaign everything.
I didn't collect. I was operating on the local level, local government level. In local government, we didn't share it. It was biscuit we shared. And no Jonathan picture. It was just his finger.
Just his finger. Like this. Is it I am the one?
I beg, yes, sir. Wait till we get to follow and talk today. Now, my people waiting for house. We want to talk this matter. Say, if you come out with your partner, and your partner always like to the gun body with you, anytime when I come out, if they hold your hand, it like PDA. That one I love.
Explain what PDA means.
PDA, for instance, my two example, it means public display of affection. That are the meaning of PDA. Meaning, when I come out, it is baby, honey, sweetie, everywhere when I go. That one I love, I've been waiting. That no matter what I want to talk about today.
I like this way you talk, but I want just sing one song with this thing when you talk. I don't like this, you're touching body. That's all. I don't like touching body.
But why you go run from get where they show you public affection?
No, it's not.
You say you don't like touching body.
It's not showing off.
That means your mind, you have.
That means you have so many. In fact, if I say this one,
you're not sure you don't like the girl.
Like your friend MC Galaxy.
Yes.
That just whether you fall in love or you just see one fine girl, maybe never to see that kind of fine girl. Get one go pee. You escort her the first time you go toilet. For small porcelain, where you know say you dey see toilet for porcelain, you escort her, they go toilet. Even the girl herself go begin to feel say, what is it now?
You inside the girl feeling. The girl might be liking it.
I'm just saying.
No, be saying never
Showman, you know say you know say the people where they like PDA pass now women.
Yes.
Women love
like
PDA.
her,
Now,
but
make I give you one example now. As this is what you talk now, so say Galaxy follow the babe go.
no, I don't talk anything. No, Chakara, I dey try tell something.
You already say you dey fear Galaxy.
I dey hit in him mad. Well, say
After on the same side on that front.
I say you
well,
go.
Galaxy is my friend.
Same,
He's my friend.
As you talk and now
But,
say follow the babe go toilet now.
Yeah.
Now this is the thing. Some girls like that unnecessary attention. I call them unnecessary because I don't think say if somewhere they very small, say they so and the place they protected. You understand? Like where you mention now, that place. I know say that place where we say they easy to go. Where we say nothing go happen to you, nobody go hide you, nobody go do you anything. Why can't be say necessary say make guy they follow babe go toilet for them?
Listen,
if na place where they like very big club or something, say you just want me your guy follow you in case just for you know.
Okay, listen. You know say you get people where teach us romance, Abi? Which is the white people. Because those days our
so who told you our grandparents don't know romance?
No.
What did you expect of
go
romance?
farm? Where did they go farm? Start for there.
Now they all love with that now.
With the talk of when the things we learn
Do you
from
know
the
the
Western world.
I want to come this
understand?
Do you know the amount of romance? I need to calm down. That you see your wife is farming and you are behind. What is more than that? That you just enter one mango tree and you wire. Most of someone like who go na product of mango tree.
No, back then na abomination. No.
So for
you cannot go wipe woman another tree.
Who tell you?
Who tell you? They don't. No, now that make them say what don't spoil. Say things happen. That make if you hear elderly men of those days, they don't believe in all this kind
like OPJ.
For example, OPJ of Wazobia FM.
OPJ
if of the evening yo, so like in case they say we talk about another person.
OPJ
don't believe in modern romance.
Say when you dey give your girl head. No.
You know, even OPJ does not believe that a woman should be cooking in the kitchen.
And you call
your wife, and then you go from behind.
You just call, no, you just call, oh babe. He said you just call. First look your girl from behind. Call the look and say, wow. My baby lose it. You call it tiptoe. You can't go.
He quote. He said, "It's a sinful act.
It's a sinful act.
For your own wife, oh.
For your own wife."
Now let me
because he say cracking supposed to be done on the bed.
Yes.
You don't believe if you supposed to go in toilet, then the thing can hungry you for toilet. As they hungry you, wait.
If you are a fan of the evening yo, call OPJ and ask him that you watch BOBOS Yan. That this man on BOBOS Yan said so about him.
No, that's Sakara. That Sakara said no.
Oh, not saying that true. Now you know hide back when they talk about.
No, but I
know they're disappointed in you when they deny now. No, that's who he is. He's highly diplomatic. That's how he is.
It's my disappointment.
Now,
what carry me go there? Why carry me go there? Now this guy will say in those days. I they tell you say that's the meaning of true love in a nutshell. Forget the many story. Girl, with who you want. She's proud of you. No, but I'm not agree with you. No. That's my opinion. That's what I'm saying.
I say Shakara, Showman, let me tell you something. You know say, if you get babe, where you love and pieces, if you carry and COMOT, like for instance, when I go mall, when I want watch maybe late night movie or something, unconsciously, you go to touch body.
No. I'm not like that.
No. Why?
Let me tell you.
What?
There's a difference.
I'm telling you.
Have you ever been in love?
That unconsciously.
Have you ever been in love?
you. So how many of you at one time you say you've really been in love? When you go say you did in love, but you did love like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days.
No. The African man has a big heart. Big enough to accommodate.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
But this is the point. Let me tell you one thing. No man can love 3, 4 girls at the same time. He gets one particular one.
Yes,
Where say you're number one. And they tell you.
Even for family.
No. So man, when marry 10 wives.
loved all his wives.
Who tell you?
equally.
No,
I'm telling you no.
Let me tell you, you
got
get
that
the
favorite.
I
ability.
disagree with you.
So how come man they crank here? Oh God!
No, I
And they
love
tell
them
you
with
say,
that.
Before,
He get one when they give attention.
He get one.
yeah,
When say,
because just clean that one and wife.
no.
I don't see men wey don't marry, but their girlfriend they will enjoy past the wife for house.
If you say the girlfriend they enjoy past the wife, that means if they give the wife, if they give the girlfriend money, which is normal
And
for relationship.
more attention than the wife.
Now let's go back.
That's
Let's
why.
go back to PDA. Now, I might tell you one thing about PDA where you need to understand. PDA, it they make girls they feel very secured around you because every girl will come out to her man go on front and say
And that
this
is that is where
my man.
that is where I was trying to tell you.
Well, to answer your question now, it just flash to my mind now. You are very right. Say person they get wife and they give him girlfriend the enjoyment. That means he love the girlfriend past
That's
the
the
wife.
wife.
Many family there like that where they say they no love.
But there was a time when he loved his wife. And let me tell you, most times, and because within Nigeria, they very religious.
Of course,
cultural
love they
people.
die now.
Most people, when they dey inside their marriages, their love don't die long time ago. But they don't want just come across, they don't want to say, they will say, oh,
Make we try go for street sharply because this topic, but like say, it is proof inside this place. I want to show man today. Say PDA is a very necessary thing. Unconsciously, you can do it anywhere.
You cannot
We are
show
coming
me.
back.
I don't think that is love. I think that's pestering.
That one no be better thing. No. It's not good.
As in, it's not a very good thing for a normal human being. It's like, trying to blackmail somebody. So it's not a good idea at all. I don't really like it. I don't support such things.
How can somebody try to hang around? It's not good. At least you need to plan. Somebody that is hanging around cannot plan for his life.
You can, because there's no way you can be choking me and telling me it's love. You're choking me. It's not love. It's pestering. You're not conveniencing me. Because I need to be free. You need to give me that trust. Because if you're gumming me, that means there's no trust. There's no understanding. That means you think I would, on any slightly opportunity that I'm outside, I would have an affair with somebody or I would misbehave. Then there's no trust in that relationship.
Most of these guys are not being truthful.
They are not. They
Let
are
me even
not.
talk the truth.
They are truthful.
Wait. Most of these guys will talk
They
finish.
are truthful.
Oh, yeah. Some of them now
Ugo.
you say if their girlfriend don't even do something like that, they will look say,
yes,
what's
now.
happen?
Let me
Show
tell
man.
you, too
Show
much
man,
of
wait.
everything is bad.
Let me take it from you
Too
and the guys
much of
now.
everything is
I want
bad.
to quote you
I
people.
think that too
Show
much of
man.
everything is
I know
bad.
what you're talking about.
Oh,
You're
wait.
talking body.
Ugo,
See,
wait.
gumming body
Eh.
it's more or less like you are showing
Wait, wait,
affection
wait, I want
to the
finish.
person.
No.
It is not that
Do
you are
also know
choking
that-
the person.
You know
Oh.
that a girl we want make sure say other people see say that me get this guy or he don't trust you. Now go the pester you like that. It's
Ugo,
it's not pestering.
Yeah, okay,
different.
wait.
It's
Ugo,
different.
Ugo,
It's
wait,
different.
wait. Someone talk to
Pestering.
Showman. Wait now. You and those guys, one guy even talk and say pestering. You say she dey inconvenient you.
Yes.
A woman, a lady that you want to marry, can you use that word to her? Tell her
No,
say
you
are
have to be
pestering me,
diplomatic
or you are
about
or
it.
you are inconveniencing
Let me
me.
tell you,
Do you
there
know
are-
what it takes to find a real love?
No.
Do you know
Then
what it takes?
let
You
me
know how
tell
many
you,
women dey
even
for you
women,
to find one?
even women when they hear me know say true e get I don't see men wey personally no fit let their wife even breathe. Anywhere else you wan go, e get how you go too much, you go dey choke you for neck. I know one guy.
I know this.
there is
I know
no
this.
love.
But it's too much.
Wait.
You know
Showman,
it's too much.
Showman, I know
Love
they
is
give
too
you-
much. Now there's
Listen.
affection. Love is never
Oh
too
yeah,
much.
calm down.
You never see
Oh,
small
but love
pikin.
is too much oh.
You never see
If
small
love, e get
pikin.
how love dey when they choke you, e fit strangle
Oh
you.
yeah, man, we'll calm down first. Calm
I
down.
don't know.
Calm down. Now, Showman, listen. Showman, listen. Now, man, tell you something. We know say too much of everything is bad. Too much of everything is extremely bad.
That
Now-
alcohol enter me now.
The point I want to bring out here now, I say, when you see woman who you truly love, it is easy for you to overlook so many things which she they do to you.
If I'm not, that
Now,
even sweet you.
we get different. We listen.
I'm
Listen.
listening,
We
I'm
get
listening.
different kind of women. We have some that are cool, calm, collected. they know how to do their things.
I don't forget men.
Their PD, yes, of
not
course.
only women.
Their PDAs, it dey very, very. It no be say the one where they choke you. Except you deal with babe, where they extremely obsessive of you. Now, before babe go dey extremely obsessive of you, some babes they will say the way they love, then they love to the back page of the book. Where we say na say to die. The way they love na pieces. You don't understand. So then they like that thing of me and you, me and you, me and you, me and you, me and you.
I'm naturally, you know, I'm sure you will know. I love to touch. Even if I did with babe, now you understand. I always like to always want either hold arm, touch arm, you understand. But most times I notice when either the girl would either feel very, very uncomfortable, say but naturally that's how I did. If I want lie with girl on top bed, I feel no crank you, but I feel just cuddle you all day.
Make I clear your doubt now. For this one where you talk, say sometimes you don't notice it. Sometimes the girl go on there uncomfortable. Maybe on a day out, you like to touch her. Oh yeah, wait now. You go remind me of this day again. When you are truly in love with one girl, say this now the girl where you love, where you want marry, she will never, get time when you touch her, where she go there, she know today comfortable. Even if not for market, even if not for bank, even no matter the place.
Okay, you want to tell me,
when you be a real guy, they touch her, then she come there like she's not comfortable. It's not possible. Except there's no love. We band on.
Everything must get in limit. I don't see person we break up just because say the guy. As the guy come back from America, now my cousin said, as he land like this, the girlfriend be talk with her uncle. But this guy was so obsessed with the girlfriend. When we see because the girl that with the uncle no run, come hug him. As they go closer, the girl no fit see hug him because now uncle. But the guy don't even know say now the girl uncle. That's how obsessed this guy is. This same guy be the always if the girl travel come. Inside Ipopsi house now be the stay. He had a very big room. You go lock the girl inside that same room. I pray they're not watching this one. They go there inside the same room. Even when their period come, the whole room they smell everything. You don't go let the girl even come out. And this guy like to club, but he was so afraid of people who go see him for outside, when we go snap the girl for his life. That's the level of gobbing body.
The guy had gear issues.
Opinion. No, insecurity.
The guy get issues.
I think it's love. Now love now.
It's love already. Maybe both of us to go out together. It's love.
Maybe it's really love you, maybe. And if you love her or him too, you can be going out with.
It is very good for someone like your lovely one to follow you and go out. Outing, go anywhere, as in, it shows love. Now love. How?
That is, they show us say they caring now. And I make can say they always gone body. So that to know whether they okay. If two of us, if you don't know about that one and something happened to me, that means now, they caring now. Now love. Now love.
That's a victory song.
Becky.
All the girls, all of them, 6 of them said the same thing I've been saying.
Were you expecting that any girl will say no?
Because women rule the world. They rule. They
don't get me wrong.
Their opinion.
I'm not telling you that.
A woman's opinion count.
One woman tell you say, they good, make woman day. But woman we want every small, even men it want. You want go here. You want go. I get guy when you say, as his feet standing like this now. Maybe Ugo call me. Ugo just called me. I want to get me shakara. I want every small thing. If they keep tabs with it, they tell the girl, update them. He update status for the girl life. It's too much now.
No, you don't take them beyond.
That's not like that beyond body. You can't let the girl rest.
That's not telling your girl everything in your life.
Let me give you one shocking.
That's another topic.
One shocking this thing that happened to me. When I catch this, I just go Abuja, come back. So apparently when we finish the party, so some like 3 or 4 ladies come to my room. We just a gist, so nothing. one particular girl, the boyfriend, from when the girl dey club till when we just see 8 a.m. for morning, the guy, they call him steady. Then I contact the guy say, now imagine that kind of thing.
So why are you against someone calling his girlfriend?
In the middle of the night, where is
when he's supposed to call him?
Vampire?
Oh God.
See when you get called
because he knows that
he's
not sleeping.
Is he secure?
He knows that he knows.
Calm down. Showman, listen.
Is it secure?
That's how you want your relationship.
No, even the girl was saying, see, as once the girl
never make up her mind.
No, the girl love the guy.
She love the guy. No. If she love the guy, she don't complain. Do you know how many women that are looking for such attention?
Attention, let me tell you.
Wait, make their guy dey talk to them
we can't be
every
wrong.
time.
We all can be wrong. Only
Why
you.
you talking
Don't
like
admit. For the first admit, say this thing is wrong.
We no talk say too much of her no good. Too much of her no good.
You can't see body.
Don't be self. You can never get too much.
When it comes to
you can't
too much love.
As you dey bad like this now, if your girlfriend be that gummy type, you no fit sit down for here.
How much attention you fit give your girlfriend?
See pikin.
Yes, babe, what you really love.
I will give my girl 101 attention.
What if? Listen,
101%.
Showman, listen.
Where are you getting it from?
Shakara, listen. What if your girlfriend and that kind of babe will say he like phone call pieces? If you come back, even though at 10 p.m. you come back from work, make una talk on phone till like 12.
Well, let me answer you now.
What if
let me answer
that kind of girl be your
this
girlfriend?
time I even they counsel people waiting for a relationship. I tell you clearly, and if you know me, I know be phone call person. You cannot be wasting money and dashing telecommunication company money every now and then, or let them sponsor your life or your relationship. How can only you be making phone call from morning till night?
Don't power your relationship.
How?
Don't power your relationship.
Power how?
Make your relationship.
We don't have what communication Now my guy said that we're drinking, gisting. Then one girl is always calling your life, bugging you for what now?
Especially when they complain. All of us who get on the same message yet since.
Thank you.
That's why the vex too. You see, the more reason.
Shakara.
Yeah.
PDA.
You just need to repent.
Repent how? You and you cannot handle it. You cannot. You cannot handle it.
Because you've never seen me in love before.
Because you've never been in love.
Me.
The day a girl harass your life.
That's my first love. Lovina. It just.
Hey! You are even talking. You are talking. This will go. When we go be the date somebody. For where we dey for this thing. I know how we go be the run. Up and down. You want to call names? Ugo be no feel breathe.
Ugo was not running, no.
Ask her here, they laugh.
Ugo not even pest the guest.
The girl now, I like her and I view that my person. She's a lover. When you begin show this guy love, hey, we'll talk about it again. Good night.